Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. Please do so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making fresh aloe vera buttercream, okay? That's what we're going to be making today, and this fresh aloe vera buttercream will help to keep your hair well moisturized. It will triple your hair growth, okay? So please stay tuned. All right guys, so first I start by peeling off the skin of the aloe vera. Then after that we'll take out the jelly part of it because that's what we are going to be making use of. So let's talk about hair benefits of aloe vera, guys. Aloe vera is very important when it comes to growing a healthy hair. It's very important because there are a lot of hair benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is very useful when it comes to hair treatment. There are a lot of hair benefits of aloe vera. It helps soothe the scalp and add moisture to the hair. Aloe vera can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. It contains active ingredients and minerals like fatty acids and amino acids, and is rich in vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which play a very important role when it comes to giving us when it comes to having a healthy hair. These vitamins, they play a very important role if you really want to have a healthy hair. So when it comes to having a healthy hair, guys, the first thing that will cross your mind, or the second thing, or the third thing, should be aloe vera. Yes. So after collecting the gel, guys, the next thing to do is that I'll go ahead and transfer it into my blender because I'm going to be blending it. So after adding it into the blender, I will cover it with and blend it until smooth. Remember, while blending it, you don't need to add water. Okay, so you blend it until smooth. So after blending it, you get a cup, then also you get a chiffon cloth or a sieve. Then you pour in the blended aloe vera into the chiffon cloth. Then I will squeeze out the juice. So after squeezing out the juice, I will set it aside. Then the next thing to do is I'll go ahead and get a bowl. In that bowl, I will be adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of shea butter. So once that is done, also I'll be adding extra virgin coconut oil. I'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then the next one I'll be adding is extra virgin olive oil. Remember, you can add any oil of your choice, okay? It's not a must you will use all the oils I used. You can substitute any one you feel like, okay? So after that, I will put the bowl in a saucepan, then I'll pour in hot water. This is to help me melt the oil. So I'll be stirring it frequently as to help it melt very fast. So now everything is almost melted. I'll go ahead and add lavender essential oil. Then also I'll be adding peppermint oil. Then after that, I'll give it a mix. So now that everything has dissolved very well, I will take out the oil. Then I will take out the oil, then I'll leave it in the fridge for it to solidify a little bit. Now it has solidified, guys. Not so hard, but it's a little bit soft, but not in a liquid form. Yes, so now I will go ahead and get my hand mixer. So now it's time for me to pour in the fresh aloe vera juice I squeezed out. So I will pour in everything into the oil. So after adding the aloe vera juice, the next thing is to go ahead and mix. Mix until everything combines properly. So while making this fresh aloe vera buttercream, one thing you have to make sure is that your shea butter is bigger than every other oil you will be adding. Yes, because if the shea butter is not that big, while combining the fresh aloe vera and the oil, they will not combine. It will be difficult. The aloe vera juice will always be separate, okay? So just make sure that the shea butter is bigger than every other oil you will be using, okay, guys? So that is it. Now I will mix it until everything combines properly. As you all can see now, everything is beginning to come together. Yeah, because all the measurements I use, everything is equal, and the shea butter I used is more than every other oil I added. Yeah. So now I'll go ahead and use my spatula to collect them, to bring everything together. Then I will continue whipping. I will continue to whip it until it forms a fluffy-like texture. That's when I will know that it's ready. Okay, guys, now I think it's ready. I think it's ready. We have to test it now. Oh my guys, did you see how this melted into my skin? Did you see how well moisturized my hand is? Oh my goodness, this is how moisturized this, as in it will leave your hair well moisturized, guys. This buttercream is superb, is the bomb. So now I'll go ahead and add it into a piping bag as to help me transfer it into the container I'll be storing it with. Guys, this fresh aloe vera buttercream is a must try. Please, if you've watched to this point, just kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't fail to give me a thumbs up, please, guys. So now I will go ahead and transfer it into my storing jar. And you also know that this fresh aloe vera buttercream can also be used on the skin. Yes, you can also use it on your skin, but I made this one. I made this one for my hair use. Yes, but you can also use it on your skin. Did you see now? Oh God, did you see how glowing my skin is right now? What are you still waiting for? Please give us a thumbs up. So here I am. I want to show you guys how I apply it on my hair. This butter right here has helped me a lot in growing my hair. Yes, guys, this is how I use it. I'll just apply it in my palms, then I will rub it. I will massage. In fact, I will massage everything to make sure that everything penetrates into my scalp. Yes, guys, this butter is the bomb. This butter is the superb. So apply it on your hair and comb your hair and wash your hair. Retain its moisture all day long. Yes, guys. So I cut my hair before. It was difficult growing my hair, but since I started using this fresh aloe vera buttercream, oh my God, I can proudly, beat my chest and tell you guys that it works. Did you see? See now. See now. See baby girl's hair now. This really works, guys. I'm so proud of my hair right now. I'm super proud of my hair right now. You will not understand, but I know why. I know why. I've seen a great improvement. I've seen so much improvements, guys. Yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up if you watched to this point. This is my hair before. Yeah, this is my hair about a month ago, guys. It was horrible. I was having a thin hair, then I decided to cut my hair and start all over again. And here I am today, guys. Look at now. My hair is growing so healthy. So guys, please don't fail to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Don't fail to subscribe. Don't fail to give us a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.